You're watching how Leap for ways to convert live photos to still images on iPhone. First, in the Photos app, select the live photo, tap Edit, then tap the live photo icon, a circle with rings at the top to turn it off. It will no longer be yellow. Tap Done and choose Save as New Clip. This keeps the original. Second, use the duplicate method. Select the live photo, tap the share icon, scroll down and select duplicate. Choose duplicate as still photo. This creates a still copy. Third, use a screenshot. Play the live photo by pressing and holding on it. Then take a screenshot by pressing the side and volume up buttons simultaneously. The screenshot is a still image saved to your photos. Fourth, use a third-party app like Intelive or Lively from the App Store. Open the app, import your live photo, and export it as a still image. The Photos app method is the simplest. Remember, converting to a still image does not delete the original live photo. It creates a separate static copy. You can also use the Save Frame feature in editing. While editing a live photo, scrub through the frames at the bottom, tap Make Key Photo to set a preferred frame, then use the Duplicate as Still Photo method. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.